Good afternoon, students. Today we will start lesson 7. Already we have learned the spellings up to 50. Today we will learn from 60 to 100. So first we will need to learn the spellings of 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. 60 SIXTY 60, 70 SEVENTY 70, 80 EIGHTY 80, 90 NINETY 90 and 100 HUNDRED 100. We know the spellings of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So now we can spell any number from 60 to 100. Now you know the spellings of 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. Now you can write any spellings. How? Look. First 60. You know the spellings of 60? SIXTY 60. So write 60. SIXTY 60. Okay? Now I want to write 62. So how it is possible? You know the spellings of 60 and you also know the spellings of 2. 60 and 2 together will be 62. So first you write 60 and then 2. Together will be 62. Okay. Now 70. You know 7070. SEVENTY 70. Okay. Now you want to write 75. 70 and 5. 75. SEVENTY 70. 5. FIVE 5. Next, you know the spellings of 80. EIGHTY 80. Now you want to spell 89. So you write EIGHTY 80 NINE 9. Okay, now you know the spellings of 90. Okay, NINETY 90. Now you want to spell 99. So you write NINE 9 TYT 90 NINE 9. So what happened? If you know the spellings of 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100, then you can spell any spelling. Okay? So first you learn the spellings of 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. HUNDRED 100. Okay? From 1 to 100 you have to learn properly. Now some example I am giving like 64, 60 and 4. You have to write. In 68 SIXTY 60 and 8. In 73 SEVENTY 70 THRW 3. In 89 EIGHTY 80 NINE 9. 96 NINETY 90 SIX 6. 96. Now open your book, page number 122 and write the numbers from 1 to 100. Okay? After completing this page, go to page number 123. Write the numbers from 100 to 1. That is backward counting from 100 to 1. 100, 99, 98, 97 like that. Okay, look at the board. Counting from 1 to 100. If you know the counting forward and backward from 1 to 100 properly, you can do anything. Okay? What is forward counting? Forward means आगे बढ़ना and backward means पीछे आना. Now count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 10. Like that up to 100. This is called forward counting. Forward. आगे बढ़ना. Forward. And what is backward counting? 100, 99, 98, 97, 96, 95, 94, 93, 92, 91, 90, 89, 88, 87, 96, 85, 84, 83, 82, 81. Like that, you will come up to 1. So from 100 to 1 is backward counting. When we are counting from 100 to 1, it is called backward counting. So first you have to learn forward counting and backward counting by heart. Okay? Because if you know forward counting and backward counting, then you can answer any question like after, before, greater, smaller, everything. Okay, now look. First, after number. After means बाद में. Next number. Okay. After 1 2, after 2 3, after 3 4, after 4 5, after 5 6, after 6 7, after 44 45, after 45 46, after 46 47, after 47 48, after 63 64, after 64 65, after 84 85, after 87 88, after 94 95, after 99 100. Okay, clear? Now backward counting. If you know, then what will be easy? Before number. How? Before 100, 99. Before means pehle. Before 100, 99. Before 99, 98. Before 98, 97. Before 97, 96. Before 78, 77. Before 77, 76. Before 76, 75. Before 58, 57. Before 57, 56. Before 27, 26. Before 16, 15. Before 3, 2. Okay? So, if you know the forward counting and backward counting by heart, then everything will be easy. Okay? Thank you and take care of yourself.